Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Roshmi. Let's start showing sarees. Today it is a special cotton episode. First one, peach color. This is palla portion, handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch. This is saree number 1, handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch. Color is peach. See, this is the draping view of the saree. This is the draping view. Both side border is there with Gujarati stitch and mirror work. The color of this saree is peach and the blouse piece is blue with orange tone. So this is the blouse piece. Here is a view. Here is a view of the saree. Price is 2450. Handloom cotton, pure handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch. Saree number 2. This is also another handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch. Palla portion. This is palla portion. The entire body. This is entire body. Orange with green. Orange with green combination. Here is the entire body. This is the work of the entire body. And the blouse piece of this saree is green. Here is a blouse piece. Again, this is also handloom cotton. Price is 2450. Price is 2450. This is the view of the saree. Saree number 2, handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch, and the price is 2450. Number 3, it is also handloom cotton, Gujarati stitch again. The color is yellow. Palla portion. Palla portion and entire body with this buta. See, this is the view of the saree. Price of the saree is 2250. Price of the saree is 2250. This is also handloom cotton. All are Bengal handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch. The color is yellow with rani and orange border. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is also yellow. Here is the blouse piece. The price is 2250. Saree number 4. This is also another handloom cotton with Gujarati stitch. Palla portion. This is palla portion. The entire body is with blue. Here is the view. This is the view with blouse piece and Gujarati work. I will show you the blouse piece. The price is also 2450. Here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece with work, and the price is 2450. Again, price is 2450. Saree number 5. This is cotton mix and match. This saree without any blouse piece. Aanchal portion, palla portion, from palla to half saree, it will be like this. From palla, the half saree will be like this. See, this is the draping view, and the half saree with the printed material. This is also tant, Bengal tant with this print. This is brown and black, and this is deep peach. This is deep peach. Price is 1850. Price is 1850. These all are cotton, Bengal cotton. Another one, same pattern with different color combination. Green, palla portion. Here is the view of the saree. Half saree with green and Gujarati stitch, and the rest half with printed portion. This is block print on white. The price is same, 1850. The price is same, 1850. This is the view of the saree. Another sari, also Bengal cotton. Sari number 7, 2000. The price of this sari is 2000. Is it 7 or 6? Yes, it is 7. Palla portion, the color of this sari is blue with parshi work. These all are hand parshi. These all are hand parshi with the buta, and both side borders are there. Price is 2000. The color is turquoise blue. This is the view of the sari. This is the view of the sari. The entire sari with this buta and border. This is the entire sari. Next one, red and white. Red and white combination. See, from palla, these all are stripes. The work will go like this way. Red and white combination. Red and white combination. Sari number 8. Price is 1700. Price is 1700. Here is the view of the sari. The entire sari with red and white stripe. With red and white stripe, and the work is machine embroidery. The price is 1700. Next one, another Gujarati on red and white. Today this is a cotton special, so all the saris are of cotton material. Bengal tant again, palla portion. Here is the view, white and red. Red and white combination with Gujarati work. With Gujarati work. See, this is a view of the sari. Palla portion. This is sari number 9. Price is 1900. Another white one with only with buta. Both side pink color border is there, and the butas are with pink and blue. See, this is the view. These all are very summer special saris. All are very eye soothing. If you like my program, please share with your friends. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is another sari, white with pink combination. Sari number 10, and the price is 1500. The price is 1500, only 1500. These all are cotton material, pure cotton. Sari number 11, Kantha stitch. The color of this sari is lemon yellow. The color is lemon yellow. These all are Kantha stitch. The entire work is Kantha stitch with both side border. Only with both side border. See, this is the view. This is the view of the sari. Sari number 11, and the price is 2000. Sari number 11, price is 2000. See. Sari number 12, another cotton sari with block print and patchwork. See, palla portion. Palla portion with patchwork. These all are Gujarati hand work. The color is red, white with red and black. Palla portion. Sari number 13, 1700. See, this is a view of the sari. This is the view. The entire sari with block and patchwork. I will show you in this way. This is the block print with patchwork. Price is 1700. Material pure cotton. Next one, this is also another cotton. Sari number, there is a mistake. It was sari number 13 and this is sari number 12. Sari number 12 with patchwork. The base color is beige with orange and black. This is the view, and the entire sari again with block and patchwork. See, material is pure Bengal cotton. The price is also 1700. This is the view, wrapping view of the sari. Price is 1700. Sari number 14, same pattern. The price of this sari is 1600. See, here is the palla portion. This is the view of the entire sari. This is the view. It is also beige color with red and black. See, this is the view. Price is 1600. Next one, sari number 15, another kantha stitch. The color is Rama green with kantha stitch. Price is 2000. Palla portion. Palla portion. Entire sari. This is the view. It will come in the pleats. It will come in the pleats. And here is the entire sari. The price again is 2000. 2000, and this is sari number 15, Rama green with kantha stitch. Sari number 16, another kantha stitch. I will show you the designs closely. See, this is the work of palla portion. This is the work. The color of this sari is green, moss green you can say. Here is the view of the sari, and the price of this sari is 2450. The price of this sari is 2450. See, this is the view of entire sari. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe, and for booking, call 9330866384. The price of this sari is 2450. Next one, another sari number 17, another Gujarati stitch on cotton base. Palla portion light green color. Light green color palla portion with Gujarati work. It will come in the front with white portion. This is front portion with Gujarati work. This stripes portions is on the pleats, and this is the beginning of the sari. This is the beginning of the sari. White with light green. See, this is the view. This is the wrapping view of the sari. Achal portion. Price of this sari is 2100. 2100. Sari number 18. Sari number 18, orange with machine embroidery. This is palla portion, and the entire sari with this mirror work. The entire sari with this mirror work. This is palla portion. Sari number 18, price is sari number 18, price is 1900. This is the view of the sari. This is the exact color, orange color with royal blue royal blue piping. Next one is another kantha stitch. All are cotton material, pure Bengal cotton, very easy to wear. This is rust color, rust with kantha work. Palla portion, this is palla portion, and the entire sari with both side border. This is border and buta. The color of this sari is rust. The color of this sari is rust, and the price of this sari is 2250, 2250. Now I will show you some cotton silk material, cotton silk Gadwal. Cotton silk Gadwal, all are very nice colors. The price of these saris are only 1850. See, palla portion. This is palla portion, and the entire sari is peach color. The color is peach. This color is peach color with blue border. Here is the view, and the price is 1850. The blouse piece of this sari is also blue. The blouse piece of this sari, I will show you the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. The price is also 1850. See, this is the dripping view of the sari. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. This is sari number 20, yellow with blue combination. This is also another cotton silk Gadwal. See, palla portion. This is the body, entire body with yellow and blue combination, and the blouse piece is also blue. The price is 1850. For the new viewers, I am requesting you to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. Here is the blouse piece. This is the dripping view of the sari. Next one, same sari with red and green combination. Palla portion. This is the body, and the blouse piece again is green, and the price is 1850. These all are cotton silk Gadwal. Cotton silk Gadwal. Here is a blouse piece. This is red with green border. Next one, sari number 22. It is purple with yellow, or you can say this is snuff color with purple. Here is the view. Price is again 1850, and the blouse piece is also purple color. Price 1850. Here is a blouse piece. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Next one, this is orange with royal blue. Palla portion. This is body color orange. Here is the body color, orange color with royal blue combination, and the price is again 1850. Price is again 1850, and the blouse piece is also blue in this sari. Last sari of today's episode, sari number 24. This is also green with red combination. Palla portion. These are the buttas, and the color is deep green. Price is again 1850. Price again 1850. Here is a blouse piece. This is a wrapping view of the saree. That's all for today's episode. Hope you will like it. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. My phone number 9330866384. Thank you.